Howdy there. Just caught me getting ready to go on my weekly hike. This beautiful weather we're having here in the valley. See, you caught me with old reliable here, my Subaru Outback. Beautiful day, and let's go take a gander. If you can, find yourself a sturdy stick like this one, make your day a lot easier. Wow, isn't this fantastic? Come on. Wow. Now, when you're hiking on a hot day like this one, you tend to sweat, and that's when you need a refreshment, which is all right, but don't throw your refreshment when you're done with it on the ground. Make sure you recycle it. Look here, this is a Pavelia plant. You can tell that just by the way it looks. Pretty fantastic. This is a prime example of what we don't want, is litter. And I mean, you're not supposed to feed the animals. The animals need to learn and hunt and survive to find food on their own. Take this with me so we can recycle. Subaru loves the earth. Pretty cool. One of my favorite things about hiking is I like to collect rocks. Usually, dig around. If you brush around in the dirt, you can usually find some pretty cool stuff. This earth is a pretty cool place. That's why we should take care of it. Now look at this guy. That's a pretty good rock. I'm just gonna toss this one on my back. Well, we'll get the next one. One of my favorite outdoor activities is a rock skip. What you gotta do, skip a rock, just you grab the rock, and skip it. Your foot planted, you just take the rock and you skip it. Woo! Woo! 3 skips, that's a record. Activity that I think's really fun is fishing. Whoa, I'm just joshing you. There was no fish there. Pretty cool.